When it comes to home improvement, few projects provide as much value and impact as window installation. Whether you're building a new home, renovating an existing one, or simply replacing outdated or damaged windows, professional window installation in Fort Worth offers numerous advantages. From enhanced energy efficiency to increased property value, here are the top benefits of opting for a professional window installation service in Fort Worth. Improved energy efficiency. In Fort Worth, where temperatures can fluctuate between hot summers and chilly winters, energy efficiency is a major concern for homeowners. Professional window installation ensures that your windows are properly sealed and insulated. Poorly installed windows can lead to drafts, air leaks, and higher utility bills. With expert installation, the right windows, whether double or triple glazed, can prevent energy loss, keeping your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. This results in lower heating and cooling costs, saving you money in the long term. Enhanced curb appeal. Windows are a crucial aspect of your home's exterior design. A well-chosen set of windows, installed by professionals, can greatly enhance the curb appeal of your property. Whether you're looking for modern, sleek designs, traditional wood frames, or energy-efficient glass, expert installation ensures that your windows are perfectly aligned and fitted to create a polished, cohesive look. The right windows can complement your home's architecture and improve its overall aesthetic, making it more attractive to potential buyers should you decide to sell in the future. Increased home value. Alongside aesthetic appeal, professional window installation can increase the value of your home. If you're planning to sell, investing in high-quality, energy-efficient windows can provide a significant return on investment. Potential buyers often prioritize energy-efficient homes with well-maintained features, such as properly installed windows. Furthermore, new windows can improve sound insulation and enhance the comfort of the living space, all of which can make your home more appealing on the market. Better security. Professional window installation not only improves aesthetics and energy efficiency but also enhances the security of your home. Old, worn-out windows or improperly installed windows can be a target for burglars, who may take advantage of weak seals or damaged frames. Professional installers ensure that your windows are secure, properly locked, and resistant to break-ins. Moreover, they can recommend and install advanced features such as laminated glass or multi-locking systems that further enhance your home's security. Long-term durability and warranty. One of the significant advantages of hiring professional window installers in Fort Worth is the long-term durability and the warranty that often accompanies their services. With proper installation, your windows will be durable and last for many years. Unlike DIY installation or hiring an unqualified contractor, professional installers use high-quality materials and tools to ensure that your windows are correctly fitted. Furthermore, many professional window installation companies offer warranties on both the windows and the installation. This peace of mind guarantees that if any issues arise, you can rely on the expertise of the installation company to resolve them promptly. Time and cost saving. While DIY window installation may seem like a cost-effective option, it can end up costing you more in the long run. Improper installation can lead to costly repairs, increased energy bills, and even the need to replace your windows sooner than expected. Professional installers bring the experience and knowledge needed to get the job done quickly and correctly the first time, saving you time and hassle. They also have access to industry discounts on materials, which can help lower your overall project cost. Plus, when you factor in the long-term savings on energy bills, the investment in professional installation is well worth it. Expert advice on window selection. Choosing the right windows for your Fort Worth home can be overwhelming, given the many options available in terms of style, material, and performance. Professional window installers can provide expert advice on the best windows for your specific needs and budget. Whether you're looking for windows that offer maximum energy efficiency, noise reduction, or style, professionals can guide you toward the best choices for your home. Their knowledge of local climate conditions and building codes ensures that you're getting windows that meet your needs and are compliant with Fort Worth regulations. Conclusion. Investing in professional window installation in Fort Worth offers numerous benefits that can enhance your home's energy efficiency, curb appeal, security, and value. With expert installation, you'll enjoy long-term durability, expert advice, and peace of mind knowing that your windows are properly installed to perform at their best. Whether you're upgrading your existing windows or installing new ones, hiring a professional installation service is the best way to ensure that your home benefits from high-quality, reliable results.